Are you looking for a ready for occupancy condominium unit na walking distance lang to Paseo Outlet Mall? Napakalapit lang nito sa New Valley, Santa Rosa, Laguna. And it's also good if you're looking for an investment or future rental business because it is very near to schools and universities here in the area. So, ayoko sana kayo bigyan ng clue pero nakikita nyo na sa likod ko. So, yun yung pupuntahan natin ngayong condominium project. That is one of the best-selling condominium project here in the area. And this is developed by Greenfield Development Corp here in Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. So, kung makikita nyo, meron ng Tower 1, 2, and 3. Yung 3, malapit na matapos. But here in Zadia, we are now selling sa Tower 4, which is the pre-selling tower right now. No, so, tatlo yung nakatayo dyan. In the future, may kita pa tayong 2 towers because in total of Zadia, 5 towers po ang itatayo dito. But right now, the specific unit that I will show you later is secondary market, meaning we are selling it much affordable compared to the current developer's price. And it is a 2 units, combinable, no, ready for occupancy, and also it is facing New Valley, Tagaytay area. May kaunti na ring improvement doon sa unit, so kung gusto nyo na makita, tara! We are here right now sa loob ng Zadia. And nakikita nyo sa likod ko, this is the Tower 1. No? And mamaya, nandiyan yung unit na pupuntahan natin, kaya ito na rin yung napili kong background para makita nyo rin yung ano nga ba itsura sa facade ng building. No? And update ko na rin kayo, no, guys, dito sa Zadia, Tower 1 and 2 pa lang po yung nag-o-offer ng ready for occupancy unit. Kasi yun pa lang po yung fully turnover na building. Tower 3 na rin, guys, almost sold out na, hindi pa fully finished yung building niya, sold out na rin po. That's why nag-open na tayo ng Tower 4, which is the pre-selling. So we're here at the 8th floor here in Tower 1, and this one is the specific unit that I will show you. No? So tara, pasok tayo. So we will have a very quick condo tour lang, no? And nakikita nyo sa unit ni ma'am, meron na tayo ditong sink na naka-ready na. This one is default naman, no? So, lahat ng turnover ng condominium dito ni Greenfield is meron na rin naman talagang sink na ganito. So, ang pinadagdag dito ni ma'am, since may nag-rent out na dati dito sa unit niya, nilagyan na rin nila to ng range hood, no? And meron na rin ditong mga cabinets. Ayan. So, ganda ng cabinets si ma'am dito, no? Kasi, although, parang default niya yung style niya eh. Pero, nakatago yung mga, kumbaga wala sila nung higit na nakatago, aesthetic pa rin yung design. And then, andito yung ating mga breaker, just in case. And then, ito naman yung ating toilet and bath, no? So, hindi ko na lang bubuksan. Standard naman to. Kagaya ng mga nakikita nyo sa video, no? And then, this is the main room, no? Makikita nyo, dito yung inyong bedroom. And you have the balcony facing the New Valley, Tagaytay area. So, dito, actually, mahamog lang dahil umulan. Pero ito guys, kitang-kita dito yung Tagaytay Ridge kapag medyo part ng umaga tanghali. No, ngayon kasi medyo pahapon na, ayan. And then nakita nyo, that's LHK South, so that's part of New Valley. And yung mga bahay naman na nandito, that is located in Santa Elena. So kung makikita nyo, dito sa Greenfield, dito sa Zadia, no, nasa gitna siya ng buong development. Kasi dito, sa likod natin, that is Santa Elena City. Then makalagpas lang ng konti, that is New Valley Estate na, no? And then, dun banda guys, makikita nyo, may all-day supermarket. So that's Villar Park, no? And then sa likod lang noon, makikita nyo, may mga bahay doon na napakaganda, parang mga tower yung style, no? That is Chateau de Paris, which is located in South Forbes, Gulf City, Silang, Cavite. So makikita nyo, sobrang dali lang, accessible lang ng lugar nito ni Zadia. So since nabanggit ko nga na may nag-rent out na dito sa unit ni ma'am, kaya may kaunting improvement na, kasama na rin sa price itong aircon. So, literal na nililiquidate talaga naman itong unit niya, no? And, ayan, meron ka ng aircon, then yung range hood, cabinets, kasama na po yan. And again guys, no, Zadia, which is a condominium project of Greenfield, is very ideal then also if you are looking for an investment or a future rental business. Because itong location na to, napakalapit niya lang sa mga kilalang schools and universities dito sa area. No? Isa-isahin natin yan. Isa sa mga target schools na pwede mong makater, no? Especially yung mga students dito sa UST. No, UST is located inside the Santa Elena City Development. And from Zadia, sinasabi ko nga, ayan, tanaw na tanaw dito sa unit yung Santa Elena. So, UST is just 10 minutes away. Actually, 9 minutes nga lang as per Google, no? So, napakalapit lang niya and isa yon sa pinaka magiging market mo if you are having a rental business here in this area, no? Specifically here in Zadia. Pangalawa is University of the East or UE. So, itong school na to is soon to build, located inside the development of Eton City. And we all know Eton Development is magkatabi lang literal ng Greenfield City. Kaya naman napakalapit lang niya. Actually, it is 8 minutes or 8 to 10 minutes away lang from here sa Zadia. And also, mas malapit din si UE if you're exiting from Eton Greenfield exit. So, literal na very accessible talaga, no? So, soon itatayo pa lang itong UE and kung makikita nyo sa online na mga posts, meron na talagang nag-groundbreaking na, no? Very soon or later, pag tumaas yung demand, no? Or nag-expand na yung mga schools from Manila, i-operate na rin nila yan. And that is also your target market if you're having a rental business here. Next school na malapit dito sa Zadia is Xavier School, no? Actually, Xavier School, we all know that is located inside the New Valley Development. And si Zadia or Greenfield City, magkalapit lang po ang development ni Greenfield City, Santa Elena, and then New Valley. So, from here in Zadia, around 10 to 15 minutes away lang, nasa Xavier School ka na. So, ang dami rin naming client na nakatira na dito ngayon sa Tower 1. Ewan ko lang kung narinig nila ako habang nag-shoot. Sana hindi. No? Pero, nandito sila nakatira, yung anak nila, doon lang po nag-aaral sa Xavier School. And na-consider nila to kahit na nasa labas ng development ni New Valley because of the accessibility. No? And hindi na rin naman siya nalalayo compared to other schools na rin, no? Just in case. Next school is Miriam College. And Miriam College, just like Xavier School, it is located inside the New Valley Development. No? So, medyo mas malayo lang na kaunti itong si Miriam College compared dito kay Xavier. Kasi medyo mas buka na itong si Xavier, no? And then, it is 15 minutes away lang from here sa Zadia. Next school na malapit dito sa area is St. Scholastica's College. So, it is located inside the development of South Forbes, although it is located in Silang, Cavite. Sabi ko nga, from here sa Zadia, dito na lang sa balcony ng mismong unit, tanaw na yung development ni South Forbes. So, St. Scholastica is 15 to 18 minutes away lang from here sa Zadia. Next school is Don Bosco, and I think isa to sa pinakamalapit and isa sa mga magiging market nyo, no? Because it is, as per Google, it is 5 minutes away lang from here sa Zadia using the Laguna Boulevard. So, napakalapit lang niya and ang dami ko din kilalang mga students na nag-aaral doon, no? Na for sure, maghahanap din ng rental, no? Kapag nag-college na sila, kinid nila ng space for study and they might consider this one. And finally, De La Salle University, Laguna Campus. Yes guys, napakalapit lang din niya dito sa Zadia, no? And we all know that Laguna Campus or De La Salle Laguna Campus is an extension from their main campus in Manila. Kaya naman sobrang dami ng students na nag-aaral dito or naghahanap din ng space for them to rent dahil yung ibang courses na in-offer from Manila ay in-offer na rin nila dito sa Laguna Campus. And very soon, no? Siguro madadagdagan pa yan in the future, yung mga buildings may tatayo pa, dadami na rin ng mga students. And isa rin yon sa magiging market mo, no? And from here sa Zadia, as per Google, it is 9 minutes away lang, no? From here sa Zadia. Kaparehas niya yung mga UST, yan, Don Bosco, and De La Salle University. Yan yung mga malalapit na schools dito sa Zadia. And alam ko, napapansin nyo rin, no? At madalas ninyong nadidinig, no? Na tinatawag nila itong Metro Santa Rosa na the University Belt of the South because of the schools around the area. And it's very lucky kung makakapwesto ka, no, dito sa gitna nila. Kasi yung rental demand, for sure, tataas. Mga students from Manila, mag-a-acquire sila dito, panigurado, maghahanap sila ng space. Or if you're a parent, no, na naghahanap ng space for your kids, you might consider this one. As you can see, sobrang daming schools and university na ang malalapit dito sa area. No, pero hindi ko mapakita sa inyo in this video yung actual, pero on my next video, abangan nyo guys, we will drive by sa mga schools and university nila on actual para makita nyo rin, no, kung gaano nga ba talaga kalalapit ito and ano-ano nga ba yung mga lugar or daan na pwede namin daanan going from that specific school to here in Zadia. And for you to realize, no, bakit nga ba tinatawag itong Metro Santa Rosa area to be the University Belt of the South, no? Dahil sa mga schools na naglalapit lang, halos paikot na dito sa lugar, kaya naman ang sarap sa pakiramdam kung makakapag-secure ka ng unit dito sa area. And napakaganda kung nasa gitna ka pa, no? And for rental business purposes pa ito, no? And talagang ma-maximize mo yung location and yung mga students, schools dito sa area. That will be your target market. So the question, Carlwin, is how much are you selling this unit? So this unit, we are selling it much affordable price compared to the current developer's price, just like what I said earlier, no? Because we are selling this one for only 3.3 million pesos only. Comparing to the current developer's price, which is the Tower 4, the pre-selling one, yung may land development pa lang, no? We are starting price na doon is 3.8 million to 4.2 million pesos. Again, guys, that is pre-selling. So, land development pa lang. Magbibilang pa tayo doon ng mga 2 to 3 years or 4 years rather para makapag-occupy. But for this one, no, this is ready for occupancy unit. Isa pa, magkatabi yung unit nyo dito, no? We are selling it only for 3.3 million per unit. So, pwede nyo ito makonsider 6.6 million. Kung may anak kayo na maninirahan dito sa area, mag-aaral, pwede nyo ito makonsider. Again, guys, kasama na yung aircon, kasama na yung onting development dito sa unit, and very limited na yung ganitong offer. Kagaya nga nasabi ko sa inyo, Tower 1 and Tower 2 pa lang yung may ready for occupancy unit. And bibihira yung mga nagbebenta pa, no? Dahil nga, sobrang na-enjoy nila talaga yung mga amenities and accessibility dito sa area. And again, this one is facing New Valley, Tagaytay area, both unit. So, pwede nyo ito makonsider. So, if you're interested kayo, pwede nyo akong kontakin sa mga number nasa screen. So, if you're a unit owner here in Zadia or here in the area, you may contact us if you want to liquidate your property or even rent out. No? We are here naman to help you. You can contact us on the number below sa caption, and also nandiyan din yung aking email. Pwede tayo mag-usap and mapagsunduan natin kung paano nga ba natin yan i-market, no? And if you're looking for investment in the future or just want to have a rental business located here in the fastest growing city in Laguna, whether you are working abroad or just want to have a retirement fund in the future, no, we are here to help you. All you need to do is call us on the numbers flashed on the screen. That is 639-69-6020-739. And it has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage for our kababayan working abroad. You may schedule your actual visit dito sa ating unit, dito sa Zadia, no? Just let us know ahead of time. Nasa atin naman yung susi nila, both unit, no? And again, guys, this is Carlwin Orga, your Prime Properties. Don't forget to like and subscribe dito sa ating YouTube channel para lagi kang updated sa ating mga bagong videos and also sa mga development dito sa area. And also, para ma-feature ko rin or mapakita ko sa inyo yung mga best deal properties, kagaya na lang nito, na located here in Metro Santa Rosa. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one.